All right, welcome back. We have a new trade day of Monday, April 20, and price is already at the 50. So we know what to do. Mark that 50 channel where price is hanging out right here. And man, look at that. It does not break that high. All right, I do see that there was an end of a cycle right in here. So the way this came up, we don't have any trap moves. I see that we do have our pop out high right here. And I think this is going to be the high for the day. So inside of our trading window, our prime trading window, I'm going to be looking for an M or some reason to go short. Let's carry this on. And yes, we've already retested the bottom. A really good entry would have been right here. This would have been perfect entry. However, we are not inside of our prime trading window just yet. So let's see what that delivers to us. So as I'm watching this one, I am thinking that this is the high and that this was your entry. So I'm going to say anything that looks like a green red cross short, we can go ahead and take inside of this prime window because this trade is already underway. So I'm looking for any pop up above the 50 or any rejection at the 50, just like this, in order for me to take it again. And there we go, above the 50, and it's already stopped and headed back down. Okay, so this was its push high, just a little bit of a trap right there, green red cross entries here. So let's put on our short position. Take profit is 30. Stop loss 15, okay, just like that. And let's see how this trade plays out. So I personally do not stay up and watch these trades play out. I place them and I go to bed. If I lose, the losing is built into the numbers. And so far so good. This trade is staying below the 50. Little closeout, midday, New York. There we go. And you took profit in the morning. So a little bit longer of a trade, but perfect trade. Take a picture. That is your perfect trade for Monday, April 20th. Now, one of the ways you could have confirmed that this was a short is that price stayed below the 50 all the way. Even though it did pop up here, see, even here later on in the day, it did pop above the 50, but ultimately stayed below it. A bigger pop above the 50, but ultimately stayed below it, confirming short for the entire day. All right, easy day. We'll see you tomorrow.